she instructed us pursuant to this letter. Therefore, we are lawfully here on behalf of the person called Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, and we are highlighting to this assembly that Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the summons for public participation, either erroneously or were not for her. The speaker will make a ruling on that question. So we are representing Her Excellency the Governor. But we are not representing anybody called Frida Faith Mwangaza. That is the distinction that I want it to be very clear, that my team is representing Honorable Kawira Mwangaza pursuant to the letter of invitation. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I hope that...
Yes, thank you. Now you can continue. Thank you. But I will not make a ruling on that because it's not my right to do so. Thank you, and continue.
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the question of purging contempt, I have said the county assembly lacks jurisdiction to punish a contempt done in a court of law. The county assembly has powers to punish contempt by the speaker expelling a member of parliament, by the speaker providing sanctions under standing orders. That one is another legal question as we are raising for the honorable members of the county assembly. Another issue, legal, that we want to ascertain